Here's how to take off a fuel filter off an EG 92 95 Civic. Here's the fuel filter. I have everything loosened. So it's a 12 millimeter. Take that off with the socket. Careful, there is a washer that you can lose. 17 millimeter socket. Take this part off. Make sure you have a towel handy. It's going to be leaking oil or gas. Wipe it up. Then a 14 millimeter wrench right here. Also, it will be leaking. And then a 10, 10, and a 10. Got those off. Take the thing off. Pour out the fuel. Hasn't been changed in a while. You technically do not have to take this off. I just do it because it's easier to reach this bolt right here, which will be on the back. And that's a 10. So now that it's off, line it up with the new one. I'll leave some links in the description for a new one if I could find any. Take this off. And put the new one in, and then tighten the bolt back down. Once it's clamped on, you know it's clamped on correctly when this lip meets with this lip. You put it back in here. Do not bolt the bolts back on. First, do this line. It'll help prevent stripping. Tighten all of these in. Then you'd put the washers on and connect the rest of the lines. Like so. Make sure they don't fall out as you flip them over. And tighten them down.